Choices, 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 so many choices. If you're in this dilemma of trying to figure out which solvent is the best choice for you, then this video might be the solution you need. If you're part of the hair system community, you know there are tons of products out there claiming to be the best for cleaning and maintaining your hair system. But today, we're diving into two of the absolute favorites that have stood the test of time, C22 and KP Pro Solvent. Plus, we'll touch on why isopropyl alcohol can be a helpful sidekick in your routine. So let's start with why these two products are so popular. At Superhairpieces, we've recommended C22 and KP Pro for years because they're safe, effective, and trusted by thousands of users. But what's the difference? Well, let's break it down. First up, scent. C22 has a bright, citrusy smell, while KP has a milder, fresh scent. So if you're sensitive to strong fragrances, KP Pro might be your go-to. Next, we have the oil factor. C22 is oil-based, which makes it excellent at breaking down sticky adhesive residue. However, it leaves an oily residue behind, so you must wash the hair system and then follow up with isopropyl alcohol to keep your base clean and dry. On the other hand, KP Pro is oil and alcohol-free, making it super gentle on the skin and easy to clean up. Thanks to its antibacterial and antifungal properties, it also doubles as a scalp cleanser and sanitizer. So which one is better? It really depends on your preference. If you want a fast-acting solvent with refreshing citrus scent, C22 is a great choice. Just remember to follow up with isopropyl alcohol to remove any leftover oil residue. On the other hand, KP Pro Solvent is gentle, hassle-free, and odor neutral. Plus, you won't typically need isopropyl alcohol unless your scalp tends to be very oily. Hope this video gives you some clarity. For new users, we highly recommend starting with trusted, tried and tested solvents like these to minimize the risk of any unexpected skin irritations. As you get more comfortable, you can always explore other options if these don't fully meet your needs. At Superhairpieces, we're here to help you find what works best for your hair system journey. Got questions? Drop them in the comments or check out our website for more tips and products. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a beat.